How to design a studio apartment. All right, let's dive in. First things first, storage by the entrance. Because honestly, we all have too much stuff, right? Across from that, we're going to set up the bathroom with the essential sink, toilet, and maybe a shower. Or if you're feeling fancy, how about a bathtub? Treat yourself. Now, next to the bathroom wall, we'll put in a nice compact kitchen set. We're keeping it simple, people. Easy, breezy, and ready for all those late night snacks you pretend you're not having. Then in the brighter part of the apartment, that's where the magic happens. The couch. But wait, it's not just any couch, oh no. This couch turns into a bed. I mean, is it furniture or is it a transformer? Opposite the couch, we'll place a small TV in it, because you're definitely going to need that for your Netflix binges. By the window, let's throw in a little workspace, just in case you actually get something done between shows. And if we want to make the space work even harder, we'll add a little countertop to expand the kitchen. And let's bring some life to the room. Plants. Not too many, though. We don't want you overwhelmed with responsibility. So there you go. That's the studio apartment makeover. But hey, if you need more design ideas, stick around for part 2. We'll show you how to flip this space in ways you didn't even know were possible with the help from our friends at Arcbazar.